Today, let's clean up live abalone. Abalone, some is dead, some is alive, but let's clean up the abalone. Very easy. Easy, easy, easy. Just you need a spoon. That's it. So take out gut. This is the gut. Just flip off your finger. That's it. And this is a basic, delicious, edible intestine. And take out. This is a mouse. Take out mouse. By hand. Got it. Wow. So what's the difference between these two? Same abalone, but intestine color is different. One is green, one is yellow. What? Male and female difference? Or how they eat is different? I need to figure out. I need to figure out this guy. Puppy. What a puppy. What a puppy. Puppy.